On good morning, all of you. This is the Dr. Dagala Venkateswar Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, PR Government College, Kakinada. Presently, I would like to explain stages of venture capital financing. First one is early stage financing. This stages has three levels of financing. Already you know venture capital. What is the meaning of the venture capital? Importance of the venture capital, role of the venture capital. My dear commerce students, already you can understand venture capital. Venture capital meaning highly rate of investment, high risk, highly rate of return. These are three steps in the venture capital. So here discussing stages of venture capital financing. Early stage financing. So here three levels are there. First one is seed financing. This is the finance provided at the project development stage. A small amount of capital is provided to the entrepreneurs for the concept testing or translating an idea into the business. My dear commerce students, you can focus on the seed financing. Seed financing focused on the a project development stage. A small amount of capital is provided to the entrepreneurs for the concept of testing. Seed financing focused on the concept of testing or translating an idea into the business. Concept testing is succeeded, then implementation of the venture capital decision making process in the business organization. And the second one is startup finance, first stage financing. This is the stage of the initiating commercial production and marketing. At this stage, the venture capitalist provides capital to the manufacturing product. The startup financing stage initial commercial production and marketing concentration this stage. My dear students, this venture capitalist provides capital to manufacturing products only. And the second stage financing, this is the stage where product has already been launched in the market but has not earned enough profits to attract new investors. This second stage focused on the attract the new investors. Additional funds are needed at this stage to meet the growing needs of the business. Venture capital firms provide larger funds at this stage. In this stage, focused on growing needs of the business and require the additional finance funds. And later stage financing. This stage of financing is required for expansion of enterprise that is already profitable. There is a already profitable, but is need of the further financial support. This stage has the following levels. Third stage, development financing. This refers to the financing of an enterprise which has overcome the highly risky stage and has recorded profits but cannot go for public issue. Hence, it requires financial support. Funds are required for further expansion. Third stage focused on the funds are required for the further expansion of the business organization. Turnouts. This refers to the finance to enable a company to resolve its financial difficulties. Venture capital is provided to a company at a time of a severe financial problem for the purpose of the turning the company around. Fourth stage, financing, also known as bridge financing. This stage is the last stage of the venture capital financing process. My dear commerce students, you focused on the fourth stage financing or bridge financing. Yes, this stage is the last stage or finance stage of the venture capital financing process. The main goal of this stage is to achieve an exit vehicle for the investors and for the venture to go public. At this stage, the venture achieves a certain amount of the market share. And buyouts. This refers to the purchase of a company or the controlling interest of a company share. Buyout financing involves investments that might assist management or an outside party to acquire the control of the company. This results in the creation of a separate business by separating it from their existing owners. Advantages of venture capital. My dear students, already know introduction to finance and the stages of finance learn. Now, advantages of venture capital. What are the advantages here? Venture capital has a number of advantages over other forms of finance. Some of them are: first advantage, it is a long-term equity finance. Hence, equity finance means, so here two finance are there. Preferential finance, second one is equity finance. It provides a solid capital base for the future growth. Second advantages. Third one, the venture capitalist is a business partner. He shares the risks and the returns. Next, the venture capitalist is able to provide a strategic, operational, and financial advice to the company. The venture capitalist has a network of the contacts that can add value to the company. He or she can help the company in recruiting key personnel, providing contracts in international markets. Venture capital fund helps in the industrialization of the country. It helps in the technological development of the country. So, my dear commerce students, venture capital is the most advantage of the industrialization and the technological development of the country. So, venture capital focused on industrialization. Industrialization is completed when recruitment, selection, training process also there. Okay, employment and generation also is there, and technological developments also there. It generates employment. venture capital development in any nation then generates the employment. Good opportunities created to the young and dynamic talented people or candidates. It helps in developing entrepreneurial skills, developing entrepreneurial skills. Venture capital challenging the job. So new entrepreneurs attract to venture capital. Venture capital management prepare the new entrepreneurs. The new entrepreneurs challenging this job, they create the more jobs in India. It promotes the entrepreneurship and entrepreneurism in the country. Nowadays, the central government of India start with Make in India program, startup program. So these two programs, the main objective is prepare or design new entrepreneurship development and women empowerment development and entrepreneurialism also development in the country and in the nation. Venture capital development in a nation, then boosting of the Indian economy or a nation, boosting of the nation. So present scenario in the world or international wise, venture capital also importance priority given to this venture capital all nations in the world. Venture capital in India. Yes, my dear students, you can observe it. Venture capital in India. Venture capital impact in India. In India, the venture capital plays a vital role in the development and growth of the innovative entrepreneurships. Venture capital activity in the past was possibly done by the developmental financial institutions like IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, ICICI, and state financial corporations. These are institutions promoted entities in the private sector with debt as in the instrument of the funding. For a long time, funds raised from the public were used as a source of the venture capital, and with the minimum paid up capital requirements being raised for the listing at the stock exchanges, it becomes difficult for smaller firms with the available projects to raise the funds from the public. In India, the need for venture capital was recognized in the seventh five-year plan and a long-term fiscal policy of the government of India. The first private venture capital fund was sponsored by Credit Capital Finance Corporation CEF and promoted by the Bank of India, ASEAN Development Bank, and the Commonwealth Development Corporation, namely Credit Capital Venture Fund. At the same time, Gujarat Venture Finance Limited. So, my dear students, finally conclusion venture capital. Yes, venture capital in India, the government of India also provides various facilities to the venture capitalist investors and introduced venture capital by new entrepreneurs. Why venture capital introduced in India? The government of India generated a few government jobs only. But here venture capital lists encourage or stimulate or motivated and facilities provided to those persons. They are attracted or invest different sectors and generated the good employment. So and good employment generation after good profit or a wealth maximization provides to the nation also development. Okay, thank you one and all.